It's been more than a year, and I'm still all alone. I've tried everything, calling out until my voice grew hoarse. I even sprayed my scent on the window, but still, nothing. My home, where I'd felt safe, became a barrier between me and him. Mama told me to stay inside, wouldn't let me come out. She said I'd only end up with a litter of tiny kittens, little versions of myself when I got lost. Is that so bad? I don't know. I wished I'd stop longing, stop feeling anything at all.
Wrapped inside,
Waiting for him is the hardest thing.
wrapped in hope.
I don't even know if I have someone to wait for. Who'll come for me anyway? Nobody hears my cries.